Show them what you're coloring. Oh no, that's not your camera. Messy head.
I didn't get no balloons.
Hey Carly.
I didn't get no balloons.
Color, hey hey.
I didn't get no balloons. Hey, hey. What are you doing?
She's trying.
Oh my. See, I got the bye-bye on my knee. You want to get up here?
No.
I didn't get no balloons.
You can take a green one if you want to. You sharing balloons, Kaylin? Say cheese.
Cheese.
Look at me. Look at me and say cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Oh, pretty. Pretty picture. What's wrong?
I miss my daddy.
Oh, where's he at? Is he here? Oh. Oh. You can ask Angie. Thank you, Halen. Mm-hmm. What you doing, silly head? Oh! Did you break it? You broke it. You broke it.
Okay, I need all these colors. So I can color my picture also. So I can give it today. So I can find my daddy. Okay.
No, Halen, share your markers. Here, Halen, give those back to her because she wants to color with them. Thank you. Here's a lot more up here. You can use all these ones. Say cheese. Hey, Halen, can you say bye-bye to the camera? Halen, say bye-bye. Halen.
No.
Hey, hey. Halen. Halen, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Wave bye-bye.